Zero fuel weight. No, sorry. Dry operating weight, different aircraft. 42236.
42236.
And DOI 42.8.
42.8.
Okay. Zero fuel weight will be 51.8.
51.9er.
Perfect. Michael takeoff 17.
/12. So, okay, so aircraft status good, no temps, no affecting us, none of them, and the weather is really good. That's going to be a flight from Mallorca to Madrid. We are Europa 40 Bravo November from runway 24 right. Our departure is clear. We are Palma 3 Alpha for runway 24 right. Our Jepson card is 10-3 Mike, effective 21st of May. Transition altitude 6,000 feet, we just checked. Airport elevation 27 feet, and Palma 3 Alpha is our departure. We have from runway 24 right a climb gradient of 4.5 up till 200 feet, and we have to maintain 4,000 feet as initial clearance, so that's 4,000 feet. The departure from runway 24 right, it's track 236, which is set here from Juliet Oscar Alpha, 17.7, until Bacax. Bacax we have 205 knots and altitude 2,000 feet or above. From Bacax we are flying to Palma, that's radial 278 from Mike Juliet Victor, 13.3, which is set on your side, radial 278, until Palma. Our restriction at Palma is flight level 100.
Ok. Un segundito, voy a llamarle. Europa 40 Bravo November en el 80, listo retroceso.
Europa 40 Bravo November, retroceso aprobado en el 80.
Retroceso aprobado en el 80, gracias.
Bueno, si quieres comentarlo.
No, dale.
Perfecto. Our taxi is going to be from stand 80. That's going to be backwards until Lima Mike. That's going to be Link, Juliet, to holding point runway 24 right. Performance. We have Mike Juliet uniform. Performance takeoff. That's Palma, runway 24 right. Intersection all to calculate all of them. Condition dry. Wind -3. Temperature 19 degrees. QNH 1015. Optimum, auto off, optimum all operative. Takeoff weight 57 tons, 500 kilograms. That's a CG of 70%. That's giving us a flap 1. Assumed temperature 62 and 85.0 N1 of percent.
Okay.
V1 137, 137, 140.
We have it here. 2 for right, 57.5, flap 1, 85, 5.80, 27740, 62.
Perfect, that's
perfect.
Good. N1. Oil press.
Check. Fuel on. Time. Se cierra.
Starter cut
Check. Engine number 2 was good. Is clear engine number 1?
Clear engine number 1.
Start engine number 1. Start engine number 1, please.
Start 1.
Boeing 8 November Foxtrot, mantenga escucha en rodadura norte 121,905.
121,905 a la escucha, Boeing 8 November Foxtrot, hasta luego.
Palma, Europa 40 Bravo November, with you, ready for taxi.
Europa 40 Bravo November, taxi by Gate Juliet, holding point, runway 24 right.
We taxi, Gate Juliet, runway 24 right. Europa 40 Bravo November.
Lights on, please.
Perfect.
Left side clear.
Right side is clear. Cabin is secure, my radios. Oil temperature correct.
337 Whiskey, stand 156 Bravo.
Before takeoff, please.
Before takeoff checklist, flaps.
Traction
1 green light.
Stabilizer trim.
Whiskey, taxi.
Almost 580 units.
Before takeoff checklist completed.
24 right.
Thank you.
Inner, Juliet, Link, North, and 24 right, holding point, fraction 337 Whiskey.
Europa 40 Bravo November, mantenga escucha en rodadura norte 121,905, hasta luego.
We have an eye on frequency 121.905, Europa 40 Bravo November, que tenga un buen día.
Runway.
Affirm, that's correct. If we know that the traffic is going to vacate, we can do it.
Torre Palma, buenos días, Europa 40 Bravo November, with you, fully ready.
Fine, nice flight.
Oh, 155 with your throwing 890 Victor.
Thank you.
Boeing 8 November Foxtrot. Viento 030 grados 4 nudos. Pista 24 derecha. Autorizado a despegar.
Autorizado a despegar 24 derecha. Boeing 8 November Foxtrot.
Palma, buenos días, Europa 40 Bravo November, with you, runway 24 right, ready in sequence.
Europa 40 Bravo November behind departing Berlin. Line up and wait, runway 24 right, behind.
Behind the departing traffic we have inside, we clear to line up and wait, runway 24 right, Europa 40 Bravo November, behind.
Vital items, please.
Okay, so vital items, initial altitude 4,000 feet is set. We have an N1 of 85% checked. Flap 1, trim 5.75. Transponder TRA runway full length. Vital items check.
Thank you very much.
And we are clear to line up and wait.
Thank you. Push to the right.
Vueling 8 November Foxtrot, llame aproximación 119.155, buen vuelo.
155, November Fox, adiós.
050 degrees, 5 knots, runway 24 right, clear for takeoff.
Block.
Europa 40 Bravo November, wind 060 degrees, 4 knots, runway 24 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 24 right, Europa 40 Bravo November.
Milos, your control.
Everything is ready, my controls. N1 heading cell, Toga.
Check. Thrust set.
Check.
$80 knots.
80 check.
B1, rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Coming up.
LNAV.
Check.
VNAV speed.
Check.
Nice flight.
119 155, thank you very much, have a nice day. Palma approach, good morning, it's Europa 40 Bravo November.
Buenos días, Europa 40 Bravo November, radar contact, climb plane level 120.
120, 40 Bravo November.
Set level 120. N1.
Check.
120 checked.
Check.
Flaps up.
Speed check. Flaps up, no lights.
After takeoff checklist.
Engine está switches.
Off.
After takeoff, engine blitzen on, punching auto, landing gear up and off, flaps up, no lights. After
Buenos
takeoff
November
checklist
Fox, comunique
completed.
Palma
Muchas gracias.
127 625, adiós, hasta luego.
17, 625,
Autopilot
hasta
on.
luego.
Check.
El November Fox.
N1 heading cell, Toga.
Check. Thrust set.
Check.
$80 knots.
80 check.
one heading south, over.
Check. Thrust set.
Check.
80 knots. Check.
One heading south, over.
Check. Thrust set.
Check.
Knots.
Check.
V1 rotate. Push the brake.
You're up.
Check. Check. Approach. Good morning. It's Europa 40 Bravo November.
Rate of concentration level 120.
120 40 Bravo November.
And our cruising level today is 310, optimum 410, maximum 410. So what I've done is clear to flight level 330, 330 on the pressurization panel, and
Perfect.
cruise 330.
330. Yeah, we're going to Calles.
Ready?
Ready.
Cool. So we will start with the performance for our landing. We have the performance landing en route, Mike Juliet uniform, this is our aircraft. Madrid, runway 3 to right, condition is dry, wind -1, so we have one knot of tailwind. Temperature 18 degrees, QNH 1019er, and the minimum gradient of 2.5%. Our landing flap will be flap 30. The air conditioning will be set on auto, the anti-ice off, brakes all to have all the calculations. No credit for the reversers, we're just going to leave them in idle reverse, and manual for the landing approach. No normal conditions, so that's none for us. Landing weight, it's going to be 55,200 kilograms and a BREF at standard of 5 knots. This is giving us a BREF flap 30 plus 5 of 139er. That's our speed for the approach. Factored, we can get everything in the runway, which is a long runway, and unfactored, we will be landing 3 to right, so auto brake with 2 gives us 2,214. For runway 2 for right, it's giving us in Madrid the standard performance 3 to right, medium jet, kilo 5, 1,800 meters. So if you want, we can do it in standard, auto brake in 3, 1,710. To exit the auto brake in 2, for our standard is going to be this one, which is kilo 4.
Perfect.
Cool. So, aircraft status is all good. No REMs in Madrid, checked. Nothing affecting us. And the weather in Madrid is really good. No clouds, no wind, and pretty good conditions for us. So, we are on a route from Palma to Madrid. We took off from Palma, we left Ibiza on our left-hand side, and we are overflying Valencia right now, that you can see the city right on our right hand side of the aircraft. That's the city of Valencia in Spain.
Ahí.
On the other side, all
The
the
other
Valencia
side.
coast.
Yes, Valencia coast. That's Valencia.
That's
With the
all the
port.
coast we have around the Spain peninsula. And we will fly from Valencia, which will be overflown in a couple of minutes. We will fly direction to Madrid, which is a northwesterly direction. And this is going to be our arrival, which is set on the route. It's the Prado 3 Delta arrival. That's the Prado 3 Delta. It's my 10-2 Echo arrival. Prado, we have a restriction of flight level 210 or below. We continue on track 2999, 14.3 miles to Mike Delta 550. Restriction is 150 below, correction, 150 or above. We continue to the left, track 270, 14.6 nautical miles to Sirgu. Sirgu is our clearance limit. For Prado 3 Delta, we have flight level 140 below, 10,000 feet or above. We continue on the same track, 24.6 miles to Rugby. Rugby is our initial approach fix, which the restriction is 8,000 feet or above. Rugby 8,000 feet or above. From our arrival, we continue to the ILS on runway 32 right for Madrid. Our card is 11-10, effective on the 13th of July. Our localizer, it's Mike Bravo Bravo, 19.1, which is set on both boxes, 19.1. And the final approach course is 323. It's set on both course 323. We continue from Rugby. Rugby, as we said, 8,000 feet. We continue to Mike Delta 570, 7,000 feet, which is set. Mike Delta 75, correction, Mike Delta 575, 6,000 feet, which is set. Until Yayo. Yayo, we have a restriction of 200 knots or below 5,000 feet or above. From Yayo, we continue on our profile at 5,000 feet. With 9.4 nautical miles, we will establish our descent on a normal glide slope of 3 degrees until a minimum of 2094. We have 2094 on both sides. We will continue the approach. In case we have to go around, the procedure will be toggle button from flap 30 to flap 15, positive rate gear up, and we will continue with at 400 feet or above. We will continue with LNAV on autopilot with a missed approach procedure that says runway heading until the 5.6 miles Mike Bravo Bravo, turning to the left. Maximum 185 knots, that's going to be for us flap 5, flap 1 more or less, to intercept radial 290 Sierra Sierra Yankee until 9.3 nautical miles, 4,000 feet. We continue at 4,000 feet or above to the left, maximum 220 knots, intercepting radial 234 Charlie November Romeo, 234 Charlie November Romeo, speed 220 knots or below, 6,000 feet mandatory. We continue to the left, maximum 220 knots, intercepting radial 330 Victor Tango Bravo, direct to Rofix. Rofix will be our end of point for the missed approach, where we will hold at 6,000 feet. As soon as we land from runway 32 right, we will vacate runway as set from Kilo 4. We will continue Kilo Charlie, Alpha, Alpha to the south. That's going to be all Alpha, Alpha to the south until our terminal, which is Terminal 3 for Air Europa. We'll continue terminal, and the stand was?
Tango 30.
Tango 30, so we'll be Alpha, Gate 5, Inner Tango 30, which is this stand over here. We have checked our alternate destination, which is
Valencia.
Valencia. The weather is good, no NOTAMs affecting us, and we will be landing, that's going to be in Madrid. 3.3, our minimum diversion we have is 2.6, so it's roughly 800 kilograms. So that's roughly 20 minutes, 50 minutes. Apart from that, nothing to say. If you want to add anything, is welcome.
Everything's
so descent checklist whenever is possible.
No, pero vamos a bajar primero.
All,
Te la leo, te la leo. So, pressurization 2000, recall, check data rate at 2, landing data.
BREF 3134, minimum Varo 2094.
Approach briefing.
Completed.
Descent checklist completed.
Phenomenal.
Now Madrid 132.980, goodbye.
132980, bye.
So 0 knots,
Frequency 134.355, nice flight.
134355, runway 2291.
Madrid, good morning, Europa 140 Bravo November, maintaining 330 to Wally.
Europa 40 Bravo November, buenas, radar contact flight direct to Prado, make Prado 3 Delta runway 32.
Prado 3 Delta, runway 32, right, Europa 40 Bravo November, thank you.
So the departure out of Palma was for runway 24 right. Our taxi was from stand 80. We taxi back to Lima Mike.
10 to be level over Prado Point.
210 level at Prado Point, Europa 40 Bravo November, thank you.
Check. Pues as said, what we did is stand 80, we taxi back to Lima Mike, and then our gate was Juliet. So on Juliet we took link up to holding point Hotel 24 runway 24 right. Our departure was the Palma 3 Alpha, that was the 10-3 Mike card, effective on the 21st of May. What we did was, with the initial clearance of 4,000 feet, we took off from runway 24 right on a track of 236 until Bacax. Our restriction was 205 knots, 2,000 feet or above. And then we took our right track of 278 from Mike Juliet Victor until Epama. Epama, our restriction was a flight level of 100 or above. That was our departure from Palma, and as said, we continued with the routing from Palma to Valencia until Madrid.
Air Europa 40 Bravo November, llame Madrid en 27505, adiós.
127505, thank you very much, bye, have a nice day, Bravo November.
63 Lima Whiskey.
Madrid, good morning, Europa 40 Bravo November, descending 80.
Europa 40 Bravo November, muy buenas, contacto radar directos Yayo y desciendan a nivel a 6.000 pies.
Okay, 6,000 feet, direct Yayo, Europa 40 Bravo November.
Europa 40 Bravo November, turn right heading 290, federal vector clear, 3 to right.
Right heading 290, vector set to right, Europa 40 Bravo November.
Heading 290, vertical
Check.
speed, MCP speed, heading cell.
Check.
Final intercept cuando puedas, gracias tío. Desde el 323, perfecto.
Verify.
Execute.
Madrid, buenos días, Europa 098 pesado.
Europa 098 pesado, muy buenas, están en contacto radar, velocidad y discreción y por la izquierda rumbo 030, desciendan a 4.000 pies.
Vertical speed.
Izquierda rumbo 030, descenso 4000 pies, velocidad
Sí,
discreción, Europa 098.
A ver si nos autoriza.
Autorizado.
Ah, perfecto. Por lo count. APP. Por lo capture, glide slow capture.
Check.
Flap 1. Increase the approach altitude.
Izquierda rumbo 015.
6,000 feet. Set.
Perfect.
Izquierda 0, rumbo 015, Europa 098.
Flap 5.
Speed.
Europa 40 Bravo November, Tower 1898, adiós. Lima Whiskey, llamo 23,155, hasta luego.
3 Lima Whiskey, hasta luego.
Madrid, good morning, Europa 40 Bravo November, runway 3 to right, 7 miles away.
Europa 40 Bravo November, tower runway 3 to right, clear to land, wind, set out.
Runway 3 to right, Europa 40 Bravo November.
Landing gear down. Flap 15.
Flap 15.
Flap
set.
25.
Set.
Check. Flap 30.
Speed check. Flap 30 landing flaps.
Landing checklist.
Confirm QNH 1019er.
H1019er.
Take care of your eyes. Landing checklist. Press the switches.
Continuous.
Speed brake.
Arm.
Landing gear.
Down.
Flaps.
30. Green light.
Landing checklist completed.
Muchas gracias. Vaya mano, vale.
Muy bien.
Autopilot off.
Check. 1000 vital items check.
Check.
No wind.
Check.
Approaching minimums.
Check.
Check.
Minimums.
Inside, continue.
Check. Wind calm.
Check.
$50.
Speed is extended. 2 reversers. Normal. Mind controls.
Euro controls. $60.
Europa 40 Bravo November, traffic is left, taxi Kilo Charlie and Alpha to the south.
So left Kilo Charlie, Alpha South, Europa 40 Bravo November. Cool, so it's Alpha South.
Bueno. Here we are.
Muy con todo.
Approaching minimums.
Okay.
Minimums.
Check. Wind calm.
$50.
Speed is extended. 2 reversers. Normal. Mind control.
Euro controls.
Approaching minimums. Minimums.
Wind calm.
$50.
Europa 40 Bravo November, continue gate 5, hold short of inlet.
Continue gate 5, holding short of inner. Europa 40 Bravo November.
Europa 40 Bravo November, contact apron 121855, bye.
With apron 121 decimal 855, Europa 40 Bravo November, que tengan buen día.
Gracias.
AP1 on, please.
Plataforma buenas, Europa 40 Bravo November, with you Alpha, reaching gate 5.
Europa 40 Bravo November, hello, continue via India taxiway, San Tango 30.
We continue India taxiway to stand Tango 30, Europa 40 Bravo November, que tengan buen día. That's right side clear.
Check.
AP available.
On bases, please. Tango 30.
Ahí está.
Here it is.
Right side clear.
Lights off, please.
Plataforma buenas,
Lights off, shutdown, please.
Perfecto.
Inter 90 Zulu, buenas.
So we finally arrived at Madrid after 2 smooth flights. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you see us in another flight. Thank you very much.